14 gang? It's your boy SRT BJ. I'm coming back to y'all with another banger on my hands, man. As y'all can see, it's nighttime, and I think I'm finna get out here and get some footage with the GoPro, man. You know what I'm saying? Change it up, do something a little different. You know, I want to take y'all on a night cruise with me and just, you know, get some nice footage, see what we can get into. You know what I'm saying? So before I continue rambling on, like I said, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy SRT BJ. If you're new to the channel, please take the time out to go leave us a comment, leave a like, and also hit that subscribe button so you can be notified about the next videos I upload. And to my returners, hey, y'all know what time it is, man. Bang after bang after bang, a whole lot of 14 shit going on, man. And for those who don't know what 14 stands for positivity, motivation, the grind, the hustle, you know, turning bad things into a good thing. You know what I'm saying? We all got trials and tribulations, and we here to work together to make that stuff, you know, disappear, and we always be in the positive, great, you know, spiritual vibe. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, man, we got the GoPro mounted up on the cat. We finna get ready and get it going. So let me start this off right with a cold start.
Oh, shit, like
and we say bye-bye. It's okay. You know what that's like? That's like a tax cut. That's bigger than a tax cut. If Biden got in, you'd be paying $7, $8, $9. Then they say, get rid of your car.
number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Man, I almost forgot to cut y'all back on, bro. Your boy ready to get in the house and eat. Say, look, I hope y'all enjoyed this nighttime video. It was just something quick. I just want to let y'all see what I kind of run into at times, from time to time at nighttime. But look, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned for the next one. Boy, SRT BJ is out. Peace.